are you a barn owl?
Yep, Tycho Alba.
Well, I want to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
So, where were you born?
Here, like, duh, over in that tree.
Well, where were you born as? This is a stupid question.
Yep, that is a stupid question, silly. I hatched, silly.
How old are you? A teen, an owlet, or an adult?
I'm a teen. Like, really?
Gosh, you don't have to be rude. Anyway, where are your parents?
Elf hunting. They told me to watch the younger owls with my brother. Speaking of those owls, I have to go soon.
Well, what is your name?
Gosh, that's sort of personal, but I'll tell you. Eglantine.
How much do you weigh?
600 grams.
Oh, look at that. Looks like your parents are home. Have to go.
Bye. And also my kind have nicknames. White owls, demon owls, ghost owls, death owls, night owls, rat owls, stone owls, cave owls, church owls, monkey face owls, hissing owls, and screech owls.
You have a lot of nicknames. Oops, I don't have to go. Anyway, what do you eat?
Barn owls eat mainly rodents, you know, like mice, voles, and not much, so rats.
What is a barn owl's life cycle like?
We start as eggs, and when we hatch, we are owlets. Then, at my age, we are called teens. And then, when we're adults, well, adults.
What do barn owls sound like?
It's sort of like a screechy hiss.
How tall are you?
Well, my wingspan is 45 inches, and finally, I'm 14.5 inches tall.
I gotta go.
Same. Well, bye. Good night.
Good night, I guess. Bye.